up, YouTube? D4G here, banging out another video. So look, today I told y'all I was gonna come with y'all with an English laundry review with the package from Macy's or Dillard's compared to what you can get at the rack store. So I was actually able to come through with this request a lot sooner than I was expecting. Stay tuned. As I told y'all in the intro, Macy's is having a sale right now. This video, as of today, this is June 2nd. Macy's is having a sale, and that sale includes some English laundry. It includes Acqua di Gio Profondo. It includes Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue, Armani Code Absolute Gold. Those are a couple other fragrances that they have on sale. They have gift sets as well as individual bottles that you can select that are on sale as well. I will have a link in the description for those videos, but one of the things that they had in that set, they had an English laundry gift set that was a part of that sale. Y'all know me, I represent for the B.O.B. guys, so y'all know I gotta put y'all on as well. This one right here is called Throne, English Laundry Throne. Now if you look at the price of that gift set, it normally retails for like $146, somewhere around there. Yeah, $146. Value $146, MSRP of $95. Macy's, in the sale that I'm talking to y'all about, they have this whole set on sale for 25 bucks. You can't beat that, I'm telling you now. You get 100 ml, like a 0.6 something ml, and then you get the body wash as well. For 25 bucks, man, you can't beat that, man. So, I'm finally able to bring this video to y'all. So let's check it out and see how this fragrance hits compared to what you can find at the rack store. So, not for comparison's sake, but English Laundry Riviera. This is one that you can find in the rack store, and they're normally around that $12.99 price range. This one right here is Throne. It's one of their newer releases. Not newest, but newer releases. I've never smelled this one. I have not one idea what it smells like. I don't even know if this thing is an eau de parfum or eau de toilette concentration. And upon further review, it's an eau de parfum concentration. So, I'm eager to see what this is gonna smell like, because it's just like how y'all have been wanting to know. I've been kind of curious to know if this is the same, if this is gonna have the same performance quality as the other English laundries that I have. Now, one thing I do like about this is that this bottle does have like a matte finish. On the front, it's just matte clear with the logo. On the back, it has like a little gradient type feel to it. It's a nice looking bottle, man. I ain't gonna lie. I like it. It's gonna look good on the wall for sure. Now, let's see what it smells like. Got a brand new bottle. No sprays. You gotta love that part. Now, hold on now. Bruh, this shit smells fire. Now, hold on, man. Give me a second. This is reminding me of something. This is giving me vibes of something that I already have in the collection. I want to say Invictus, but it could be more Invictus Legend. It's one of the two Invictus lines. It's definitely giving me Invictus vibes in a way. It has like that bubblegum feeling up top. Very playful feeling. Just a natural playful feeling in a way. Oh yeah, man. This shit is good, man. This shit is good right here. And one of the things that I'm smelling upon smelling some of the other English laundries that I got from the rack stores, this one definitely has a lot more density in it. It has a lot more depth to it. Now, I do have some eau de parfum concentrations, but give me a second real quick. I'm gonna look at Tahitian water real quick. I'm gonna look at Tahitian water and see if it still has that same depth, that same richness that Throne has. Because Throne definitely has a richness in it that gives it a designer feel, like a real designer feel. I don't remember getting that type of depthness in Tahitian water. Yeah, you don't get that same richness, that same depth. Whereas the Throne, which like I said, I got this from Macy's. It's on sale right now for $25. If y'all are seeing this, today's May 2nd, June 2nd. I'm so sorry. Today is June 2nd. And this Throne, this smells like it'll be a 7-hour fragrance. Now the smell itself, it gives me those Invictus vibes. I'm not saying it's a clone, but it definitely has a little bit of Invictus in the DNA of it. But the main thing that I'm sticking to is how, like, the quality of fragrance that's in this is a lot richer than the other ones. Even the eau de parfum from the Tahitian water, it's not as deep as this one. It's not as in depth. It's not as rich as what Throne is. The Tahitian waters is a lot more flat. It's very flat. compared to what you get out of the Throne. But this Throne is fire. Oh my gosh, man. Hey, yeah, that Throne is fire. That Throne is definitely to where, so Invictus for me is one of the fragrances. I'm not gonna say it's my signature scent, but it definitely is in that signature scent bubble. And I don't have too many other fragrances that give me that Invictus DNA vibe. Meaning that if I'm going to work or if I know I'm gonna be doing something that's sweaty, but I'm still feeling Invictus that day, this is the one. This is the one I would reach for. This is definitely the one I reach for, especially if I can still get the same performance. It doesn't have to be the 9 hours that I would get out of Invictus, but even if I can get at least 6 hours out of it, we got to win in my book. Yeah, man, I'm not sleeping on this one, man. Throne off of Initial Sprays. This can go in the top 3 of English Laundry. This could even be top 2. I would have to decide between Riviera and Oxford Blue. But right now, Throne is up there. Throne is this is a great scent. You can smell the eau de parfum concentration, so it definitely has a lot more richness, has a lot more depth, a lot more character than just one of the ones that I would get out of the rack store. Now, one of the real test will be if I can find Throne in the rack stores, and then I'll have an actual rack store bottle and then an actual Macy's bottle, and I'll be able to tell the difference. But right now, right now from Initial Sprays, there's definitely a difference between the two. Now I'm gonna get us a couple of wears, see the type of projection, longevity, the CRs that I get from this. But off of Initial Sprays, I'm just saying, Initial Sprays, winner, chicken fucking dinner. This right here is pleasant, man. I like this a lot, man. I gotta have some time with this. That might be top 2. I gotta give it some time. But I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like I said, I just wanted to give y'all that quick reaction of a Macy's or a department store English laundry versus a rack store English laundry. And right now, the department stores is definitely up. So again, if y'all looking to get this, today is June 2nd. They still have this set on sale while supplies last. So if you want to get a set, get you a set. Like I said, it comes with 100 ml, a 0.67, yeah, something like that, like a small travel size. And then it comes with the body wash, shampoo, and all that good stuff. For $25, you're not going to beat that. That's a better deal than just buying this out of the rack stores for $12. Because even though you can get this for $12, you can get a travel size and another one. Like, come on, man, you're not losing on that. So, links in the description if that's something that y'all want to check out. I will have that in there for y'all, but y'all know what it is, man. Over here on this side of YouTube, we talk about football, fragrance, lifestyle. So, if that's something that you're interested in, make sure you hit that subscribe button, as well as the bell notification so that you can always be updated anytime we drop this content. With all that being said, D4G, truly blessed, destined for greatness. We out.